Hello and welcome. My name is Bartek Rusecki and I'm the Global Sales Manager at Zmorph. We are meeting today to unveil the newest product in Zmorph portfolio, Zmorph i500. Before we do that, I would like you to meet some people who will tell you more about our vision and later the product itself. We have worked really hard for the past few years to deliver the best experience. The product is the outcome of careful industry research, user analysis, and intensive planning. Before we show you the result of our work, let me introduce you to one of Zmorph's board members, Marek Kłos, the Vice President and the CSO. Hello Marek.
Hi Bartek.
It was a long journey, wasn't it?
Oh yes, indeed it was.
So Marek, Zmorph has always been known for making the best multi-tool on the market. And now we are coming up with a 3D printer with top quality for industry. So if you could tell us more about how it happened that we are coming up with the i500 and what is the vision of our company?
We have changed from a one-product startup into a proper company thanks to a huge support of our investors and internal changes we've been implementing last years. Now, after acquiring the manufacturers of HBOT F300, moving to new headquarters with the new branding and with the new products in present and future portfolio, we are ready to compete with 3D market leaders. Zmorph i500 is a new chapter in our company's legacy. When we were starting the design of the machine, we did a market research and recognized the fields where we can overcome the competitors. Then, we've asked our distributors network simple but very important question. What would be the 3D printer that you would like to sell in 2 to 3 years? We carefully brought this data and our own benchmarking to create the 3D printer that will perfectly suit the needs of our end users and distributors worldwide. i500 offers a huge build area, astonishing build quality, best reliability in class, and features of professional-grade industrial 3D printers. All that within very attractive price tag. There is no other 3D printer out there with such a high value compared to its price. 3D printers that deliver. This is the Zmorph's new brand mantra.
Thank you Marek for those insights. And now, without further ado, let us present you the machine you have been waiting for the past few months. Zmorph i500. Jakub Bukowski, our main engineer behind the project, will tell you all the technical details.
This is the Zmorph i500, the industrial 3D printer with a massive print volume. We work hard to deliver a machine with a high build quality and accessible price. Let's start with the inside of the machine. The work area of Zmorph i500 is 460 by 300 by 500 millimeters, and the 3D printer features a unique dual-drive dual extruder, carefully designed by Zmorph to deliver the best experience. What's so special about our extruder is that it features a lifting nozzle system, a filament sensor, and pressure measurement system in the nozzle, and on top of that is full metal. This means high temperatures up to 300 Celsius degrees are possible with this extruder. The dual-drive dual extruder features lifting nozzle system. This solution is useful while using both nozzles for 3D printing. The idle nozzle is lifted up so it won't hit the printed model, and it's cooled down to prevent dripping of the filament. Additionally, we've equipped the extruder with filament sensor and pressure measurement system. The sensor checks the filament flow. The pressure measurement system, on the other hand, checks the pressure in the nozzle and can inform the user if the filament flows smoothly. With industrial machines such as Zmorph i500, the dual extrusion is used mostly for printing with soluble support materials. Therefore, we are using two sizes of nozzles as default, 0.4 mm and 0.6 mm, dedicated for support structures. And what is very important, the whole hot end is easily replaceable. After each layer, the extruder will go through the nozzle waste remover, which is equipped with two brass brushes and Teflon scrapers, with an attached trash box for wiped waste. The build plate is manufactured from 6 mm aluminum and 4 mm super flat borosilicate glass that is easily replaceable. We have equipped the table with 800 watts heater, heating power being adjusted according to the connected voltage. The maximum bed temperature is 130 Celsius degrees. In the high-quality aluminum casing, we have mounted an airflow system. The air is filtered while entering the machine for dust particles, input filter G4, and HEPA carbon filter filters the air coming out of the machine for small particles and fumes. What is worth adding, the machine will notify the user when it's time to change the filters. Moving on, let's talk about the serviceability. To maximize uptime and serviceability of Zmorph i500, we have prepared a distributed control system, which means that each submodule has its own daughterboard. This allows easy access to each subassembly. Distributed control system is something I need to emphasize here, as it opens the door to auto-diagnostics, which will be implemented as later development of the product. It means that once we implement it, Zmorph i500 will be able to diagnose potential issues of the machine by itself, which will make the serviceability of the machine even easier than it is now. Let's get back to the machine. Here's the Filament Storage with automatic filament loading system. It fits two spools up to 2.5 kilograms of material. Zmorph filaments will use RFID tags for filament type detection, working along with the automatic loading system equipped with a filament sensor. Zmorph i500 is equipped with a big 7-inch touch panel with intuitive and responsive UI with a wide angle of view that provides top comfort for the user. One more thing I would like to mention is the connectivity. It is possible to connect with USB, but the G-codes can be uploaded remotely via Wi-Fi or LAN, thanks to a simple hub. Additionally, the i500 is equipped with the camera placed inside of the machine, so the user could have the overview of the print running.
Thank you, Jakub, for presenting us the Zmorph i500. I hope that you feel as excited as we are for the premiere of the machine. So, I would like to introduce you Eliza Wróbel, who is the product manager at Zmorph. Eliza, please tell us more about Zmorph i500.
Hello Bartek, and thank you for the introduction. We are happy to show you a completely new product in Zmorph portfolio. Last year we premiered a continuation of the multi-tool line, Zmorph Fab, and now we enter a completely new market segment with the i500. Thanks to the fusion with HBOT in 2020, we were able to accelerate the development of an industrial 3D printer that was in progress for the past few years. Zmorph i500 is the result of a careful research and market study. We want to deliver a reliable and functional 3D printer for the industry. The main argument for purchasing the i500 should be the price to capabilities ratio. Comparing to other 3D printers within the same price tag, the i500 has one of the biggest work area that comes with the implemented features Jakub was talking about. Zmorph i500, apart from a massive build volume, offers optimized uptime and throughput. With seamless 3D printing procedure, easy material maintenance, intuitive user interface, and enhanced serviceability, we were able to minimize the printer downtime. This will be very beneficial for businesses that value time and money.
Well said, Eliza. Zmorph i500 is indeed a truly professional 3D printer that the industry can benefit from. We can also share the latest insight with you regarding further development of the product.
Yes, exactly. We have a whole ecosystem in the early stage of development. The plan is to create a hub for Zmorph users where they can manage their machines in one place. We are also very happy to announce that we will be cooperating with PAS for our line of materials dedicated for Zmorph i500.
Thank you very much for the presentation, Eliza. And what's next? I am sure you are interested in the prices and when the product will be available in your country. Let's start with the pricing. As Eliza mentioned before, by introducing Zmorph i500, a high-performance 3D printer for top efficiency and reliability, we want to provide our customers with a product that has a top price-to-capabilities ratio. The i500, same as Zmorph Fab, will be possible to be purchased in US dollars and euro. As for US dollars, the price is $7,499. As for euro, the price is $6,399. The price includes a 1-year manufacturer warranty, but you can extend it into 3 years warranty for the price of $1,000 or 900 euro. Now, let's talk about product availability. The date for start of delivery for i500 is planned for the first week of June. Here at Zmorph, we are very proud of our global distribution network, which allows us to provide our customers with top quality local customer service and prompt delivery. Thanks to our global partnerships with the most professional 3D printers distributors in North and South America, Europe, Asia and Australia, the customers are able to purchase Zmorph products without additional import and shipping costs. We also made sure so our distributors were properly trained and had a full knowledge of Zmorph products so they could provide you with local support and service together with fast shipping. The pre-order for Zmorph i500 starts today, but for sure you are wondering when and where the product will be possible to be delivered to you. Let's take a look at the map. Our longtime partner, Profund3D, will be the first one to be able to have the i500 shipped to US located customers. The i500 is planned to be available on Profund stock in June 2021, but you can pre-order the printer starting today. So don't miss the opportunity to contact Profund directly as soon as possible to make sure that you purchase your i500 before others do, especially that shipping with Profund is fast and free. As for US market, the i500 will be also possible to be purchased with Matter Hackers, and the product is estimated to be on their stock in August, but the pre-orders will be available starting June 1st. In Brazil, the customers will be able to purchase the i500 with our long-time partner, 3D Crear, and the delivery is planned at the turn of Q3 and 4. Moving to Europe, Zmorph i500 will be available in every European country, either through our distributors or directly with Zmorph. With the headquarters in Poland, depending on your location, we are able to smoothly ship the units to you or forward you to our local distributor. For example, Machines 3D or Hava 3D in France, 3D Prima in Scandinavia, Concurrent Design Group in UK or Setcomp in Poland. Going further, in Australia, the product is planned to be available in July with Torstar. As for customers from Asia, please contact Zmorph directly and we will inform how to purchase your i500. As you can see, we made sure that the product will be available worldwide. If your country was not mentioned here, don't worry. With the network of almost 30 resellers, I am sure that you will find a local supplier. You should just simply go to Zmorph website and check our resellers map or contact us directly so we could help you in the purchase of the i500. Before we finish, we are happy to inform that Zmorph products will be available with our new distributors in more than 20 additional countries. We are very proud to announce that Zmorph established 3 new strategic partnerships with the most professional distributors on their markets. Signova is a company specialized in the application of additive manufacturing for industrial sectors, such as aerospace, architecture, automotive, medicine, education, electronics and machining. With more than 60 professionals and 20 hours per day technical service, we can be sure that Zmorph products will be in good hands. With Signova logistics centers, Zmorph products will be able to be purchased in Spain, Portugal and every country in Latin America, excluding Brazil. Shop3D is a Canadian-based 3D printers distributor, serving Canadians across the country so they can acquire Zmorph products and local support with the hassle of cross-border shipping. With 2 showrooms and distribution centers in Toronto and Vancouver, Shop3D serves Canadian governmental and educational institutions alongside engineers and professionals with the best desktop fabrication systems on the market, backed by the most dedicated sales and support team in the country. iGo3D, Germany-based, is a pioneer in the field of professional desktop 3D printing solutions in Germany, Austria and Switzerland. With its own logistics centers, certified workshops and an innovative marketing concept, iGo3D supplies its customers with 3D printing products from the most renowned manufacturers, now including Zmorph. As you can see, we made sure that Zmorph products were possible to be purchased through the best distributors in the world. So please do not hesitate to contact any of them, as they are happy to provide you with all the information regarding Zmorph products, including i500. We are very proud to officially announce the launch of Zmorph i500, a high-performance 3D printer for top efficiency and reliability. Thank you for listening and being with us. Once again, the product will be available for delivery starting June 2021, but the pre-order starts right now. To gather more information, please go to zmorph3d.com and follow us on social media, as a lot is yet to come, including detailed features explained video. Should you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact our partners or Zmorph directly, and we will gladly respond. Until then, goodbye and have a nice day.